There's a reason most people never build real wealth, and they chase what looks exciting and ignore the stuff that actually works. I found a way to build a 6-figure cleaning business in just 90 days, and I never cleaned a single house myself, but no mop, no vacuum, no employees, right? Just a repeatable system that works in any city by anybody that's willing to execute. And in this video, I'm breaking down exactly how I did it step by step. I'm Johnny Robinson. I built multiple 6, 7, and multi-7-figure service businesses, including the highest rated window cleaning company in Orange County. But what really changed everything was launching a remote house cleaning business. And I did this because I started it for my mom. She was a full-time Uber driver, and in 30 days, we got to $12,000 in revenue, $4 grand of profit. By the end of the year, we were at $300,000 in revenue. And we now help others build the same kind of business, even if they work a 9-to-5 or have zero experience. So what makes this cleaning business different? This isn't the kind of business where you buy supplies, you hire employees, or worst of all, you're going out and cleaning homes, busting your back yourself. Instead, you run this completely remotely from wherever you want to be at in the world. You get cleaning jobs, and then you partner with experienced independent cleaners to go and fulfill the work, and then you manage it all from your laptop. It's not a cleaning business, it's more of a systems and staffing business. And it's one of the most scalable, low overhead models I've ever seen. So here's the 4-step system to get started. Step number 1 is going to be setting up your foundation. This is the boring stuff that gets skipped, but it's what makes it real. You're going to register your LLC. I really like Prime Corporate Services. I'll include links to all this stuff in the description. You're going to get liability insurance. Again, I'll include links in the description. You're going to pick a simple name. Our window cleaning company was based in the city of Orange, so you know what we called it? Orange Window Cleaning. Grab a $20 logo from Fiverr or use ChatGPT for free to make one. Your first customers aren't going to care about what your business is called. They care if you answer your phone. Not only answer the phone, but you deliver a solid clean. So the goal is to get legal, legit, and online. And once that's in place, you're ready to operate like a real business. Step number 2 is finding the cleaners. Now, this is the secret to the whole model. You don't do any of the cleaning. Instead, you partner with independent pros who already know how to clean. Your job is to bring them leads and handle the business side. You're going to start by posting in local Facebook or Nextdoor groups asking if anybody has a house cleaning recommendation. Then once you get these recommendations, you're going to start calling them and pitching them on your offer.
Hey, I run a local cleaning business and we're looking to take on some more jobs. Would you be open to partnering with us?
If they say yes, book a second call so you can meet them face to face, and you're not going to explain to them this up front. This is going to be in the interview process, but how this works is you're going to price the job at $200 to $300. Cleaner gets, say, 40 to 50%. You keep the rest, though, for finding the job, paying the customer acquisition costs, and managing all the customer communication and details. You're going to look for cleaners who have at least 1 year of experience. You want them to bring their own supplies. You don't have to spend money on supplies. And then you want to make sure they're taking ownership and can communicate well. They just get to show up to the clean, keep in mind, right? You handle the business and get paid. But now that you have your operations ready, it's time to start getting paid. And so here's how you can get some leads fast. You're going to start with setting up your online presence. This is going to look like a website. I like to use Rebolt. It integrates with Google Business Profile, which also ties into this because that's free. You're going to want to register for that. You're going to make free Yelp, Nextdoor, Thumbtack, and Facebook accounts. And then you're going to start the process for Google Local Service Ads. Google Local Service Ads is what's going to pop up. I'll put a screenshot right here. Say you look up house cleaning services near me. It's going to pop up with a big green Google Guaranteed badge, and people are going to call that number. And Google Local Service Ads is super easy to set up. It just takes about 2 weeks to get verified because you have to do a background check, you have to submit your insurance, and then you have to get at least 5 reviews, which you can just get from friends or family members. Or when you hire the cleaners, you're going to do a test clean. You're going to send them to a friend or family member's home, and they're not going to know it's a friend or family member. They're going to think it's a real job. So you can see if 1, they show up, and 2, if they're going to try to snake your customers, because you're going to have that friend or family member ask them, how can I book again? And then if they say, hey, here's my card, book through me, then fire them because they just try to steal your customer, even though it's not real. It's a good character test. So after you do that, you can ask your friend or family member for a review because then it's real. Your cleaner actually cleaned their house. Or if you don't care, just get the 5 reviews. Some people do. I personally don't because I'm just trying to get leads, right? I know I'm a stand-up guy. And there's no marketing experience required. So if you set your weekly budget and it's good to go. And leads are going to cost anywhere from $20 to $60 a lead. Some in like more competitive areas, it's going to be maybe $80, $100, but they're high intent. Close 1 out of 2. You're getting a customer for an average clean's like $350. You're getting a $350 for $80. Like, do you see the money print? How it makes sense? Put in $80 to $350 back out. You can also post in local community groups. Like I'm in Vegas, so Summerlin Moms groups, Summerlin Neighbors, Summerlin Buy-Sell groups. Introduce yourself as a new cleaning company and offer a limited time discount. Usually what this looks like is,
Hey, my name's Johnny. I like to walk my dog in the park. I like to do Pilates. You know, by the way, I happen to own a cleaning company and I can, clean your guys' home because you're my neighbors for 50% off your first clean. Just comment clean clean and I'll reach out to you.
People will reach out to you and pay for your services. It's like getting referrals too. And the best thing about referrals is they close at a higher rate than if you're running ads, and they'll pay you more on average. You're gonna ask them for a review or testimonial back inside the Facebook group or next door group that you found them in. So then everybody's like keeping up with the Joneses. Oh my gosh, Barbara used this cleaning company. I wanna know what the cleaning company is all about. And then you get all those customers who are gonna pay, they're gonna close at a higher rate and pay you top dollar. You can also partner with other local businesses. So something we did early on to get a lot of momentum for Orange Window Cleaning, I just called, as a window cleaning business, keep in mind, I called the top 2 highest rated house cleaning companies on Yelp and I said, hey, my name's Johnny. I run this company called Orange Window Cleaning. You probably get people who ask you for window cleaning services, but you don't do it. I know you don't do it because I looked at your website. We're really good. How about anybody that calls you for window cleaning? You just give them to us and I'll give you 15% of the sale. And they're like, yeah, both of them said yeah on the first call. So it's pretty cool. And that's how we started to stack up a ton of residential at the beginning. So if you're a house cleaning business, I'm looking for carpet, especially the carpet cleaners, the window cleaners. And I'm saying, hey, you're in front of my ideal customer. If anybody ever asks for house cleaning, give them my number, give them my website, give them my card, and I'll pay you a percentage on the back end. You can even take this a layer further and say, hey, how many customers have ever bought something from you? They're gonna be like, oh, well, like 3,000. Like, okay, how many of them buy from you a second time? Oh, not that many. I always rely on getting new customers, is probably what they're gonna say. So then you just say, okay, well, you probably have this big email list of people who've already bought. Why don't we just run a couple emails that say, hey, we're partnering with the sister company XYZ Cleaning. If you need house cleaning services, you can trust them. And then you just run like this affiliate email campaign to other local businesses list. This works really well. No one's talking about it. Definitely do it. It's a good way to get business. And then step number 4 is running this like a real business. This is where most people mess it up. Once the jobs are coming in, you need systems. Use the CRM. I like to use Booking Koala and CleanWorks, and I like to link them up because there's a lot of stuff Booking Koala doesn't do that CleanWorks does, and vice versa. I'll put the links to both. CleanWorks, you get a 30-day free trial, so might as well sign up. You're gonna be able to send quotes instantly, assign the jobs to cleaners, track the customer information, ensure that every lead that you get into the business is being followed up with until the end of time. You're automating the reminders and the confirmations to reduce the amount of people who are canceling or rescheduling. And a couple other quick tips is you want to answer calls very quickly or respond to leads in less than a minute. If you do this, you're going to beat out all the other people in your space, especially if you're running ads, because speed to lead is the most important thing. And answer the phone with a smile. I know it sounds silly, but I tell this to everybody, just answer the phone with a smile. People can tell when someone's smiling and happy to talk to them. And make sure cleaners are reliable and deliver great service. If you find that a lot of your people aren't wanting to book or recurring, it's likely a cleaner issue. And our rule and core value at both Orange Window Cleaning and Home Service Academy has always been Chick-fil-A level of service. That means clean branding, fast response, and follow through and delivering on what you promise. Do this right, you'll start to stack recurring clients weekly, bi-weekly, monthly. That gives you consistent revenue and profit month over month. This 4-step system is very simple, guys. It doesn't take a ton of money, time, or any special skills, but it works, and I've seen it change lives firsthand. And when I started this, I didn't have a massive following or any following for that matter, or a degree in business. I just wanted freedom. I hated having a boss. I just wanted a business I could run without having someone telling me what to do. And this model gave me that, not just for me, but for my family too. And now we've helped over 2,000 people do the same. Some part-time, some are full-time, but many of them were just like you, watching a video like this one, trying to figure out their next move. And if you want the full step-by-step blueprint, I'll drop a free training link below. And if this gave you value and this was helpful, hit the like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments, would you start a remote cleaning business? Or if you wouldn't, tell me why you wouldn't. But I'll see you in the next one. Peace.